Maybe you can get into a little bit is that why Quark? What are you actually trying to solve? What is the biggest problem you see?
The biggest problem that I see in the market is partnerships are invisible. And what I mean by that is there's a couple of different things there. One, we live inside of everybody else's metrics, KPIs, tools. Well, there's a couple of problems with that. One, as a result of that, we are constantly trying to extract our value after the fact. Two, the only way we know how to measure success for partnerships is leads and revenue, which in a lot of cases, especially when you get outside of the channel, are things that, when I say channel, I mean that direct sales relationship with VARs and MSPs, that type of thing. Those are things that those other partners really don't do well. If you've got technology partners, they don't do that. And so really trying to understand where those things live, but we've got these. So by living inside of all these different tools, inside of all these different systems, we're constantly trying to extract value after the fact, forensically go back in and say, oh, here's what we can do. And look at all these things that I did. Well, the reality is not only are we invisible there, but because those belong to other people, we have this huge, what I call a get off my lawn problem, where they're coming in and telling us, no, that's my credit. I belong there. And so the other thing that you have to remember about all those tools is in those KPIs, those don't just measure success, they define it for them. And right now we have no such North Star. And so the big problem we're trying to solve is that visibility factor and creating a unified metric that we can all speak the same language.